Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. As you all know, the coronavirus is sweeping the globe and face mask is in short supply. It looks like face mask will become a new way of life. And soon, wearing a face mask will be as compulsory as wearing a seatbelt. It won't stop you from getting the virus though, but I believe some form of protection is better than none. I started a mini project during the lockdown, making some face masks for the needy and the homeless. But my sewing machine conked out, and with the machine being out of order, one has to, think out of the box. With that being said, I now have a very practical and simplistic DIY mask that can be made within 10 minutes. No sewing required, and it's made from an old cotton t-shirt. Well, let's get started. This is a list of things that we need for the mask. Cotton t-shirt, scissors, safety pin, ruler, pen, and your piece of paper. Take your pen and paper and mark with your ruler measurements 24 by 24 centimeter. Cut out your fabric according to the measurements. I've cut mine out already. You want your fabric double for extra protection. You can insert a filter, which is optional. Make 12 little holes on either side of your fabric. 12 little holes on either side of your fabric. Cut 2 strings from your t-shirt, approximately 23 centimeters. If you stretch them, they will curl into a small tubing, making it easier to weave. Attach the safety pin to the end of the string, and then you weave it through the fabric into the holes, right? Now I have done that with this piece. There's your fabric, 12 holes, weave string through halfway, and I'm just going to show you how to weave it through with a safety pin, and it makes it much easier and quicker. Right, now you gather that side and you gather the other side. Gosh, there we go. Quick and easy. All you need to do now is tie the ends. Now I have done one. We have tied the ends, which is over here. It's quick and easy. You can do this as a family project, making face masks for the needy. Get the kids involved and have fun. Hopefully I have inspired you. Let me know. Let me now put on the mask and show you. Well, as you can see, here's the completed mask made out of a cotton t-shirt. It's quite a snug fit and it's lovely and soft on the face. Well, if you can find it in your heart to dig out a cotton t-shirt and make a mask or two to hand over to somebody that needs it, we can all ease the impact of COVID-19 on vulnerable people. We're all in this together. Take care and stay safe.